In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Make.com in just 2 minutes, following a full step-by-step guide for 2025. So, if you're someone who loves automation and wants to streamline your workflow between Slack and Make.com, you're in the right place. Firstly, you need to visit Make.com and log into your account. If you don't already have one, no worries, because signing up is both free and straightforward. Just head over to Make.com and you'll see options for signing up right on the homepage. Once you've logged in successfully, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, let's create a new scenario. From the dashboard, you'll find a button labeled Create a New Scenario. Clicking this will present you with a blank canvas. Here you'll spot a plus button, which is essential for adding apps to your scenario. What you'll want to do is click that plus and search for Slack. Once Slack appears, you'll need to choose the specific module you wish to use. For instance, you can select Watch Messages if you want the system to trigger whenever a message is sent, or Send a Message if you prefer to automate the sending of messages to a channel or user. After making your selection, proceed by clicking Add. The next step is connecting your Slack account to Make.com. Begin by clicking Add, then selecting Add a Connection. This will prompt you to log into your Slack workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, as this is crucial for smooth operations. After logging in, Make.com will request permission to access your Slack workspace. You'll need to grant this permission by clicking Allow. You have the option to permit reading messages if you're looking for triggers, and sending messages if you're setting up automation. Once everything is connected, it's time to configure your Slack module. Here, you should select the channel or user you want your bot to interact with. For those opting to send a message, type the specific message content or map it from other apps you're using. If you've chosen the Watch Messages module, set any necessary filters to tailor the process to your needs. To make sure everything is working perfectly, you can run the scenario once by hitting Run Once. This will act as a test to see if messages sent or triggers activate correctly. Following a successful test, go ahead and click Schedule and set the frequency for your automations, be it real time, every 15 minutes, or any other interval. And that's how you connect Slack to Make.com, efficiently automating your tasks and boosting productivity. I hope you found this guide thorough and easy to follow. Happy automating!